How to use Waze offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here you need to understand that Waze does not have a dedicated offline maps or download feature like a Google Map. But you can still use it offline by chasing your route while you have an active internet connections as well. So what here you need to do is make sure to search your destination while online. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this out. Now I'm just gonna make sure to load it while I am online, and I can simply go ahead and select the save button as well. And now I can just go ahead and look for the map, and it's gonna show me the view route, or just tap onto it and it's gonna show me the route, right? Now what you want to do is make sure to disconnect your network, and this is how you will be able to select your preferred route and just go now over here and wait for the route to fully load on the map screen, and Waze will automatically cache the nearly or necessary map tiles and turn by turn directs or directions for that specific trip as well. And all you need to do is just keep the app open and do not close Wave or change your destination after starting, and this way you'll be able to use it offline. Now other than that, there is no way you can do it. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.